This week, Emyria announced an agreement with major pharmaceutical company Aspen Australia to support the registration and commercialisation of EMD-RX5. Emyria CEO Dr. Michael Winlo joins me now to talk about the deal and highlight some of the details. Michael, how significant is this?
This is a huge deal for us. It shows that a major pharmaceutical company is backing our approach, our data, and of course, the potential value of the medicines that we're creating, which we believe through this partnership, we can bring to Australian patients to improve many lives.
So who is Aspen?
Aspen Australia, the group we've done the deal with, is a subsidiary of Aspen Holdings, which is actually a major multinational pharmaceutical company with a valuation of over $7 billion. Aspen Australia has become one of the largest pharmaceutical companies operating locally. They have local manufacturing, distribution, an award-winning sales force team. They support over 150 branded products that'd be familiar to you and I across prescription, pharmacy, and consumer healthcare. So a major player in this space with a lot of capabilities that really complements what we're trying to do.
What makes Aspen such a great collaborator, particularly on this project?
Aspen's a really important partner because they're going to be bringing their expertise in marketing, in sales, in distribution, as well as in navigating registration with the TGA, which gives us a massive advantage in getting this product not only across the line at the TGA, but most importantly, ensuring this product can be available to the public. Aspen also has a sales force that can reach both doctors and pharmacists. And because this will be a new product of its kind, really in a new category, it's going to be really important to educate clinicians as well as pharmacists about where this product can benefit. And so Aspen's providing funding and resources to get this product across the line and support the reg approvals, and in exchange, we'll get the right together to market, sell, and distribute this product across Australia.
Big news indeed, but let's talk a little bit more about why this is a great commercial deal for Emyria and how will Emyria benefit?
Well, apart from getting the crucial support in the development and registration of EMD-RX5, which Aspen are providing in kind and is a really important contribution in this partnership, Emyria will also receive a royalty payment of 10% based on annual net sales, as well as aggregate milestone payments of $400,000 for satisfying agreed milestones. But the total deal value is heavily biased towards the net sales royalty, which means that Emyria, after registration, and once sales have started, can simply take home a check every quarter with no further expenses from our side. All those costs involved in manufacturing, in sales, in distribution, in reg compliance of EMD-RX5 will be borne by Aspen, which is a significant investment on their behalf. But it means that Emyria can then do the things that we're best at, which is expanding the indications and market for EMD-RX5 through ongoing research, as well as developing our other programs.
For those who might not know what it is, give us a little bit of an explanation on what EMD-RX5 is.
EMD-RX5 is a capsule medication of ultra-pure cannabidiol, or CBD. This is the non-psychoactive part of the medicinal cannabis. It's aimed at treating mild anxiety and stress in patients with chronic pain. The product is currently in phase 3 clinical trials, and upon successful registration, it could be available over the counter, meaning you could buy it at your local pharmacy without a prescription.
Why did Emyria look at mild stress and anxiety in chronic pain patients as the condition to treat?
Our choice of indication is really important to our program. We're not the only product out there trying to get a low-dose CBD across the line with the TGA, but we are the only group pursuing this indication. That's because we've got something that nobody else has, and that's the Emyria Real-World Data Registry. These are deep clinical insights that we've gathered directly with patients that we have treated at our clinical service subsidiary. And these data show us that mild stress and anxiety in patients with chronic pain is not only really important to treat, but also the most likely to be successful through the trial process.
How many patients could this help?
Well, if you look at mild stress and anxiety affecting about 15% of all adults, you're talking about a really significant percentage of the population. The incidence actually is much higher, though, in patients with chronic disease. So for our initial target indication, we estimate there are about 1.4 million Australians today who might benefit, but we expect the potential market for this product is much, much larger, as we believe we can grow both the indications and the geography of where this product could be sold based on ongoing research into the product.
The potential to help 1.4 million people is incredible. Tell me, what is next for EMD-RX5?
Well, the phase 3 clinical trial is progressing really well. Recruitment's going strong, and we look to finish that trial by mid-year. Then we'll continue to provide updates as they come to hand, of course, to the market. And our aim is to be one of the first medicinal cannabis treatments available in Australia over the counter. But it's important to remind people as well that this is just the beginning of our programs, that this is just really the first step in a long journey and a much larger market opportunity that we're pursuing, not only with RX5, which we think we can grow from here, but also in our other prescription programs as well.
It's a big deal, and congratulations. I think I'd say that to you and all the team, because it's been a lot of hard work bringing that all together. And to those watching, if you have a question that we haven't covered, our Investor Hub is the place to be, where we can answer your questions in real time. A link to the Emyria Investor Hub is in the description below.